Gucci vintage backpack with bamboo accent. Considering this is already vintage, ang ganda pa ng kanyang condition. Very beautiful. And even yung accent niyang bamboo, ang ganda. So this is the front. Side. Then, yung likod. Yung likod, meron lang siyang mga superficial scratches. And, hindi naman siya yung nagbabakbak. And, the strap, magandang-maganda pa. Adjustable also. Side. Tapos yung bottom niya. Ang ganda pa niya, oh. Then, the corner. Corner 1, may rub. Corner 2, maganda. Corner 3, maganda rin. Corner 4, minimal lang. Yan. Then, yung drawstring, it's very nice. Considering vintage siya, ang ganda pa niya, oh. Even the lips, walang crack. Then, yung loob malinis. Hindi siya sticky. Meron na rin siyang entropy and dust bag. For when worn. Gucci backpack. Ito na yung pinakamaliit niyang adjustment. You can still adjust the strap. So, 5 feet lang ako. Sakto lang siya sa akin. Yan.